That's his fingers. Oh, did you hear him making noises? Don't pull his finger, okay?
What's this?
It's his pinky.
Who's pinky? Oh, he's so mad.
He's what?
He's so mad.
He's a little mad?
Yeah.
He's
Oh,
got his eyes closed. He's
Oh,
been sleeping.
oh, oh my God. Wait, tiny ears. He
Little
has
tiny-
hair.
He has ears.
And nose.
Mm-hmm.
And eyes, a tiny.
Just like you.
He's just like you.
Oh, look at his mouth.
Think he's hungry, Olivia?
Yeah.
I bet he is.